So we got this situation. If this equals to this, m by n, GCD of mn is 1, greatest common divisor means HCF is 1, then the value of m minus n is okay. So first try to understand what your question look like. So it is, let's expand everything. I'll substitute value of r as 0. So it is 11c1 by 2 plus 11c3 by 4, 11c5 by 6, 11c7 by 8 dot dot dot, and the last component will be 11c11 by 12. So if you'll observe, the numbers are on the denominator. Okay, so we have to take help of integration. Also you know that for 11c11 the x will take power 11, and if you'll integrate x power 11 you will have denominator as 12, correct? So it is okay, means this is correct now. Without modification you have to proceed. And also you have to observe that the lower subscript means we have to get the answer for odd lower subscript. You have handled this kind of question where you need to find out odd lower subscript or even lower subscript. Okay, so majorly you have to rely on 0, 1 and minus 1. Okay, so suppose that we have to expand the function 1 plus x power 11. So we will have 11c0, 11c1, 11c2, sorry, x square, 11c3, x power 3 dot dot dot, correct? Let's do the integration. So we will have 1 plus x power 12 by 12, 11c0 x, 11c1 x square by 2, 11c2 x cube by 3, 11c 3 x power 4 by 4, and so on. The last element is what? 11c11 x power 12 by 12 plus integration constant c. Okay, so what will happen for c? Put x equals to 0. So we need first integration constant c. So for c we have to do x equals to 0. So can I write c will be equal to 1 by 12? Just replace x with 0. So this component will become x by 1 by 12, and the remaining part will become what? 0 0 0 0 on the right hand side. You will be left with c only. Okay, now look at this, how we will get odd lower subscript. So after doing integration, put x equals to 1. So if we will put x equals to 1 in this equation, okay, so it is 2 power 12 by 12 is equal to 11c0, 11c1 by 2, 11c2 by 3, 11c3 by 4, 11c4 by 5 dot dot dot. The last component is 11c11 by 12 plus c. So we got this equation A if we will replace x with 1. Now I want to write down the next equation. Okay, so look at this. For that what I will do, I will put x equals minus 1, correct, in the same equation. So it will become, on left hand side it will become 0. Now minus 1, so 11c0 plus 11c1 by 2 minus 11c2 by 3 plus 11C3 by 4 minus 11C4 by 5 plus dot dot dot. Look, whenever we are having odd lower subscript, the leading sign is positive. Odd lower subscript, sign is positive, correct? So here also odd lower subscript, so sign will be positive. So 11C11 by 12 plus C, this is equation B. Okay, now be super slow and try to recall what do we need. We need, wait a second, we need odd lower subscripts, correct? So what we have to do, we have to add both the equations. Okay, so add A and B, equation A and B. So if you will add, you on the left hand side you will be having 2 power 12 by 12 is equal to 2 times 11C2, sorry 11C1, 11C1 by 2, 11C 3 by 4, 11C 5 by 6 dot dot dot, 11C 11 by 12, and you know that you are adding things, so C plus C will become 2C. Okay, so can I look, you know that this is your required thing. So first you have to divide both side by 2. Let's divide both side by 2. So here it is 2 power 12, so we will be having 2 power 11. Now minus C. So required thing will become what? 2 power 11 by 12. Okay, minus C. So who is C? C is 1 by 12. Okay, 1 by 12. Correct? So if you will simplify things, no, means I don't want to eliminate this and this. You know that 2 power 10 is 1024. So 2 power 11 will become 2048 minus 1 by 12. So it is 40, sorry, it is not 40, it's you have to do the subtraction. So it is 2047, okay, by 12. So they were saying that it is m by n. Okay, so if you observe the numerator, it is not divisible by 2, neither divisible by uh, 3 as well. Okay, so it is okay. If you find HCF, you will have 1. Okay, now we got m and n. Now we need to find m minus n. So required m minus n is what? 2047 minus 12. So the answer is 2035. Okay, I hope you got the idea, and now you can handle similar approach, means similar situations. Means if you will require odd lower subscript, you know how to handle which way, and if you will need even lower subscript, how will you respond? Okay, I hope things are getting clear.